talk about the branches of physics. As a senior one student offering physics, you're going to be studying physics from senior 1 up to senior 6 up to the university or whatever course you branch to. As long as you're in the Ugandan curriculum, physics is going to be divided into what we call branches, and you're not going to just study things in a disorganized way. We are going to be studying facts, knowledge, practical competency in the way that they are going to be organized in the so-called branches. We have a branch which we call mechanics. This branch deals with the study of motion and forces. You've seen moving cars, you've seen moving vehicles, moving bicycles, moving planets. You've seen dynamics in aspect of force, and then you've seen kinematics in the aspects of motion. We have another branch which we call thermodynamics or heat. Possibly you've seen fire, you've seen sun, you literally know what heat is. So this branch deals with the study of heat and energy transfer, and in this branch we shall look at some aspects like energy conservation. We shall also observe that heat flows from a hot object to a cold object. We have another branch which we call electricity. This is the study of charges at rest, where we look at aspects like lightning, how they happen to occur, what causes lightning. We look at also moving electricity or moving charges. We look at how you're able to receive light from a light bulb in your room. We look at generators. We look at all those aspects. We have another branch called magnetism. Here we shall look at things like the magnetic fields, and you look at how possibly your speakers in your radios have some magnets, possibly the reason as to why. When you have electric bills at your school, we'll be able to find out how each of that is related to this. We have another branch which we call quantum physics, or the traditional way it is called modern physics or quantum physics. This is the study of particles at the atomic level or at the smallest level. We shall look at things like electrons, photons. We shall see modern technology coming. You can also comment other branches in the comment section I've not talked about astrophysics, where you will be studying things like stars, planets, galaxies, and also optics, where you see things like light, refraction, lenses, how things like cameras, some of you like taking nice pics. You'll be able to see how lenses and mirrors make things beautiful, make life beautiful as you progress with your physics journey. This is all about for today. Thank you very much for listening. Comment in the comment section, and the next we shall look at will be SI units.